Hi, I'm Roger Myers with Switch Commerce. I want to talk to you today about the variables you should consider when becoming an ISO or IAD. Let's define those two acronyms. ISO stands for Independent Sales Organization and IAD for Independent ATM Deployer. IAD is the term being adopted by our industry worldwide, so let's use that today. How might you answer the following questions? Do I really want to become an IAD? How many terminals do I currently operate? What is my total monthly transaction volume? Which of my friends might join me? Next, what is my purpose? I want to grow my business, become nationwide. I want to increase my cash flow. All are important and valid points to consider in making this decision, and the expectation of becoming an IAD would obviously be to make more money. But would you? To determine this, let's look at the requirements and the rewards. What are the requirements? There are 4. Sponsorship, network compliance, bank compliance, and cost. Sponsorship involves both network and bank memberships, and they work together for the IAD. In order for an IAD to be a member of a network, they have to be sponsored by a bank. Therefore, network membership is the conduit between the acquiring bank, or ATM, and the issuing bank, the card provider. In other words, this allows any cardholder to perform a transaction at one of your ATMs. The second requirement is network compliance. Network compliance covers both regional and national networks, and the IAD must conform to all network operating rules and regulations. Third is bank compliance. While sponsor bank requirements may vary between banks, they will typically include due diligence, owner-operator agreements, quarterly reporting, compliance mandates, FFIEC reporting, and more. The last requirement for consideration when becoming an IAD is the associated costs, like the bank application fee, network registration fees and renewals, federal and state registration fees, their bank sponsorship fees, employee costs, compliance fees, processing services, and even insurance. We've covered the requirements, now let's look at the rewards. There are many, but 3 things come to mind: more money, reduced expenses, and pricing power. More money because you cut out the middleman and benefit from more profitable rates. Also, you'll have direct control of daily and monthly surcharge income, as well as monthly interchange disbursements. Reduced expenses is the next reward. This reduction improves your bottom line through greater efficiencies utilizing the Switch Commerce Terminal Management System, or TMS. Here are a few examples of how TMS will reduce your expenses. You will receive automated real-time transaction alerts and monitoring, access to your entire portfolio online or on your phone with mobile TMS, brand recognition, bill pay and collection with e-invoice, instant terminal ID creation, and complete settlement account management, all of which are available to you 24/7. Last would be pricing power. As the IAD, you set the price for your partners. You also have the ability to pass through all network costs at a premium and benefit from new revenue streams which you control, such as TMS and mobile TMS user access, automated report delivery, and compliance. So the question is, do you have what it takes? Enough terminals, enough transaction volume, and enough money to invest in becoming an IAD? If you have what it takes, call us today to take the next step. If you're not ready to become your own IAD, get started by joining one of our affiliate programs. We look forward to hearing from you. Find us online at switchcommerce.com or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube.